Two, three. Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're gonna do the Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're gonna do our unboxing 101. Actually, we have two over here. We have the iPhone and we have the Apple Watch. But we will just do the unboxing for this one because unfortunately our iPhone, this is already had been opened from previous day. This is already open, but we just do it all together to show you the unboxing of our iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually, it is already opened, had been set up. There is a protector both, so there it is, and already been set up, ready to use.
So what's the color?
Enter password, it says. So okay.
The color.
Ooh, it's very cool. Actually, it seems that I feel new to this one because I got used with my other phone before for how many years. Everything feels so different. So there it is. And you have the cable wires. Unfortunately, there is no something like what it is called there that you can plug in the cable. And there's no earpiece. No earpiece. This is only the one that they put us. When it becomes more expensive, less items. That's what we got. And that's the
What?
It's color blue. Trouble's favorite blue. Deep blue sea. Okay, because we just put it there. Okay, now we will do the unboxing of iOS. There is something like this because that is for charging. Actually, it's not really on the phone, but that white circle and this one is just on the case protector. That when you got something like little pad over there that you just can put as charging instead of using the wire over here. That's why there is like this there. That is on the protector, not on the telephone itself. It's very cool. I feel new in a way. Okay, that's enough for our iPhone Pro Max 12. Let's do the Apple Watch Series 6. The color is blue alu deep navy sport. Blue alu. That's what it says. Actually, it's just color blue again. But color blue again. Favorites color. Sabi dito eh. What is this all about? Oh yeah. It's very innocent. There's nothing this one in the moment. There you go. Ooh. Actually, that's just how big it is. It's not really the whole box. That's only that one. What is this? Oh, see? Less paper. More expensive, less paper. This is the wire. Oh, actually, it's not necessary to. This one they made is like into this one. When you open it, you just do like that. Oh, actually, this is just the cable. It's nothing exciting as the cable. Maybe it's inside there. Oh, there it is. OMG.
Okay.
Dawn deep navy blue sport brand. Very cool how they make it very secure. Oh. Ta-da! It's the band. The letter of the band. This is the big one. And this is the shorter one. So we will put this one first. So okay, for now, because I don't know how to install this one, I that is the part that I really hate, the installing. So trouble gonna do this one for you guys. I think this one is better.
That's very long for you.
Huh? This is the longer one?
Yeah.
Different. See? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
So this is the phone. This is the
There's the watch and its charger.
This is the charger. Get charged there.
For now, folks, that's all for now, folks. Our unboxing of our Apple Watch. See you in our next video. Don't forget to click, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button. Ding, 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 ding. Have a good night.